Hello children, how are all of you doing today? Are you ready to start learning? Give me a thumbs up if you're ready. Fantastic. Do you remember the name of the story we talked about last time? What was it called? It was called A Loud Noise. Children, now would you like to read the story with me? Wonderful. I will read a line from the story and you will repeat that line after me. Let's start. A loud noise. Boom, boom, boom. It was a loud noise. Who was making that noise? The insects want to know. The bee came out to look. The grasshopper hopped out to look. The butterfly woke up to look. Soon, the ants crawled out to look. There is no one around. It must be the elephants walking to the pond. Say the ants. Children, now let's learn to read some words. I'm going to say a word and you are going to repeat that word after me. Shall we start? All right. Was, must, soon, that, look, to, must, that, to, look, soon, was. Were you able to read all the words correctly? Great job.